If you are finding yourself struggling with options trading or struggling past the funded account, guys, we have a sale right now, a holiday special. Monthly memberships going for $49.99 a month and the yearly subscription for $2.99. If you'd like to take advantage, link is in the bio. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the price action, the trades I took, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, today, especially if you watched my morning live stream, guys, we only had two levels. In today, the pre-market live stream today, guys, I only had two levels I was playing, 464.72 and 465.28. Those are the levels. These are these two big lines here. We made this line key level live on stream this morning, and this was a gap that we've recently had the highest gap on SPY at 464.72. So it was pretty easy. I told all the traders, everyone in the Discord today, do not trade today. Take the day off. It's going to be very, very volatile. I ended up trading. A lot of the professional traders ended up trading today because the price action was pretty easy today. First things first, guys, I ended up hitting puts at our key level, 464.72. We gapped down in the pre-market. We came back up. I hit the puts and ended up writing them down. The second trade I ended up taking was calls, literally at the low. Gundy, myself, and big shout out to Mo. We all entered calls here. And do you know what calls Muhammad ended up entering, guys? 467 calls. Right here. Even myself, I'm like, why so far out the money? That's where his magnet was showing, guys, and look what this thing ended up doing. This was almost 1,000% gain from the original entry. He killed it today. Big shout out to Gundy and big shout out to Mo. Those guys killed it. Second or third trade of the day, I ended up hitting puts at 465.28. I got calls at literally the high of day. The second high of day. I told everyone, I'm only playing these two levels. We broke through it. The retest, I hit the puts. And then I ended up hitting YOLO calls here because it was developing a floor at 464.41. You see this floor where my mouse is? This is the reason why we ended up getting calls. Everyone banked on this play. The next trade I ended up taking was puts at 465.28. The key level we ended up making in the pre-market, and this absolutely banked. The next play, big shout out to these two beautiful women, amazing traders, guys, in our Discord, Lady T and Amber. They ended up holding their conviction. They ended up buying calls at this floor we were developing at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Gundy ended up getting into these two. Everyone ended up getting to these two. But these two women, they held their conviction. I'm so proud of them. They are great freaking traders, guys. Look at the move that they were getting in. These calls or longs on futures printed heavily. They all made their daily goal on this trade. Obviously, no one was expecting this high of a run, but big shout out to Lady T and Amber. I'm so proud of those women. They're crazy, phenomenal traders, and I'm so happy for them to be a part of our community. Next trade, I ended up stopping out right here. I got into puts, Dimitri and myself, for an overreaction play. It did not work. We stopped out very quickly. That was it for me. Dimitri and Options Doctor ended up getting puts at 470.50, and they both went extremely green holding this play out. What I was telling you guys from beforehand is if you're taking a trade today, you need to sell the move because we don't know what's going to happen. If you would have bought puts up here and held for a swing trade, guess what? You were back break even or even red on this trade. So big shout out to Dimitri and Options Dr. Ryan for those puts, okay? Where are we for now? What's the game plan? So this is exactly what I'm going to do. This is exactly how I'm going to be trading this, guys. I don't have too many key levels left. So we're going to hit the full dollar amount. So we're going to go at 470. I'm going to do a massive line at 470. The next level we're going to be watching is where we bounced at. Where am I going to do this? 469.18. We're going to put a level there as well. And then we're going to also put a level. No, I'm not putting any more levels. This is it, okay? So You know what? Put one high of the day. High of the day. Just so we start having some more levels. I'm going to make this one big as well. So these are the 5 levels we are watching. The 2 that I gave you guys already, this gap has filled. I'm going to change the color. I change it to blue to know this gap has been filled. So all day today, we were floating around these 2 levels, 465.28 and 464.72. With the news that came out with the FOMC minutes and Jerome Powell speaking, this thing absolutely skyrocketed. What did it break through, and what is it going to retest? It's going to retest 465.28. Why is it going to retest 465.28? It was previous resistance. In the morning, it was previous resistance in the pre-market. It will come back down to test this level. This is the level I'm looking at for shorts. So I'm going to be paying attention to 470.76, 470, and 469.18. A rejection from these levels, I will be playing puts. I have, just keep this noted, I have seen days like this, big news days when Jerome Powell is speaking, we get an immense run, and then the next day we drop 10 points. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but be very careful getting calls at these levels. We are very close to new highs. The Dow Jones made new highs today. Apple made new highs today. And as of right now, the market's bullish, guys. There's no reason to be shorting anything. But that being said, we are still at levels that are great levels to be shorting from. So 469.18, 470, 470, 76. And then we have this key level we want, okay? 465.28 is going to be a great level for calls. Why is it going to be a great level for calls? This is previous resistance. This was an overreaction move. Calls at 465.28 will most likely print. If we end up gapping up, from the levels we are at right now, all we're going to be doing, guys, is playing full dollar amounts. We're going to put one at 471. We're also going to put one at 472. And then we're also going to put another level at 473. So these are the levels I'm going to be playing. I'm going to be sniping. I'm selling the move, guys. Today was an extremely successful day for myself. I started a new funded account, and I'm up 23.67 on the day. And then I was up 4,000, almost 4,800 on the day in my big account. I ended up taking 2 little L's for 600 each. So I'm up in the high 3,000s for the day. It was a very successful day. I'm very pleased the way I traded today. I exited my losing positions extremely quickly, guys, because I was hitting with size. And my funded accounts, guys, I was just sniping. I was going very heavy at the right levels, taking my profit, selling the move in one candle, and that is the reason why I am up that much on the day. So that is the game plan for tomorrow. Remember, guys, our Spy Talk episode 2, the link is in the bio. Please watch that. I would love to hear feedback from you guys, as well as our holiday special is going right now until December 26th, Boxing Day. Take advantage of it. It's a full money back guarantee. If you do not make 10 times the cost of the program in your first month, I will give you back your money and let you stay for free. I am holding myself to that, as well as the company. We have people in here making a crap load of money every single day, guys. If you would like risk-free, $449.99 a month or $299 for the year, if you do not 10x that, 10x, I'm talking about making at least $500 in your first month, I will give you back your money back guaranteed. We have the best moderators. We have the best admin, best elite traders in the game. This is the spot to be. We are killing it in futures. We are killing it in options trading. That is our specialty. We will teach you guys how to pass funded accounts and how to grow your accounts. I live stream every single morning. We've been having Muhammad and Gundy on with us. Dimitri, Amber, a lot of people are joining in the team discussion as soon as I'm done trading. We're offering a big value right now. And we're doing this to help our day ones out because the price will be going up immensely over time. Anyways, long story short, guys, pre-market, 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes before market open, I will be live and we will be killing SPY. I will give you the rundown, give you the plays I'm taking. I'm going to be sniping. I'm telling you right now, I'm not holding puts. I'm buying at 470. I'm selling at my next key level, 469.18. I'm buying puts at 469.18 if it's a resistance. And guess what? That's going to be the best move because that could be a 3-point return. Anyways, I'm out, guys. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, everyone.